frostbite. Tattoo, wear a black sweatsuit and a soft white. Clap talk about the hot flight. Talk shit like you a raw bitch, you cannot fight. Big bag, got a big man. New whip, blue smoke, watch me zigzag. Hold up, big gas, give him whiplash. On you bitch ass souls, I'm well off. Roots from the ground, I heard I fell off. Landed on top of the world, I sped off. It's something that costs more than your life. Real boss, my car, just ignore any price. Troll for the lights, no control on the mic. I'm a pro, let them know when I'm rolling the dice. Toes with the nice, and your throat getting sliced. For any bitch you wanna disrespect, he is extra. 10 chains and rings, cause I'm extra. Ran out of drink, I got extra. You wanna hang, pay me extra. Lanes on my section, yeah, bitch, I'm extra. See through the face, I can't text ya. League noobs and then world depression. Big jewels, bigger than Texas. Wish like I robbed a bank. Pull up, driveway, and my house is big. Watch on each other, you know what time it is. Keep a chef on my left, make the rice on the right. Got a plate full of steak, aight. How much it costs, does it hurt to ask? Keep a Birkin bag in my Birkin bag. And it hurt cause my stomach full. I get wined and dined, I got shine on shine. Keep a chain on chain, scroll through my contacts. I got names on names that could change your life. And it's rare in this game to sustain the hype. And I buy another pair if I stain the nights. Round the bomb, never hang, it could drain your life. Overcame everything cause I paid the price. On the stage out in Spain with my face on a train. Wouldn't trade with a lane, you could save advice. Extra, 10 chains and rings cause I'm extra. Ran out of drink, I got extra. You wanna hang, pay me extra. Lanes on my section, yeah bitch, I'm extra. See through the face, I can't text ya. League noobs and then world depression. Big jewels, bigger than Texas. Wish like I robbed a bank.
Now ever since a nigga was the penitentiary, still ballin'. Riding on these niggas cause they lame. In a 6-1 Chevy, still heavy in this game. Can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga. Before the sun rise, quicker than the drug dealers. Tell me if it's on. Nigga that we first upon, push on these bitch made niggas hit them up. West side, ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I let my female strap. The fuckers from the back, I get my currency stacks. California's where I'm at. Ride, pass by, why these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Did I cry? Hell nah, nigga, tears shed. For all my homies in the pen, many peers stand, niggas still
Extra, 10 chains and rings cause I'm extra. Ran out of drink, I got extra. You wanna hang, pay me extra. Lanes on my section, yeah bitch, I'm extra. See through the face, I can't text ya. League noobs and then world depression. Big jewels, bigger than Texas. Wish like I robbed a bank.
If she was flavor, I won't save her. No taste buds, oh later. Fuck you looking at, hater. I saw them eyes like an ass raper. Try to copy my swag like a cheating classmate. I'll be the last face you see when you fucking ass traded like I'm mad paper. So ahead of my time, Latins, I'm early, my age is reversing. I'm basically 30, amazingly sturdy, zany and wordy, brainy and nerdy, blatantly dirty, insanely perverted, rapey and scurvy. They blame me for murdering Jamie Lee Curtis. That I put a face in the furnace feeder with a space heater, a piece of furniture, 8 feet of thermos. It may be disturbing, what I'm saying is cringeworthy, but I'm urinating on Fergie.